Welcome to Art Magic.
Drawing a cute unicorn birthday cake can be a delightful and imaginative activity for kids. Follow these easy steps to create your very own adorable unicorn cake, and don't forget to color it in to make it look delicious and festive. Draw a large rectangle. This will be the main part of your cake. Draw a smaller rectangle on top of the first one, making sure it's centered. This will be the top layer of the cake. Draw 2 small triangles for the unicorn's ears. At the top center of the cake, draw a small, curved triangle for the unicorn's horn. Add a few lines inside the triangle to give it a spiral effect. Below the horn, on the top layer of the cake, draw 2 large, round eyes. Now it's time to color it. Color the horn in bright, magical colors like yellow, pink, or rainbow. Use different bright colors for the decorations to make the cake look festive and fun. Be creative with your colors and have fun with the design. By following these steps, you'll have a cute and colorful unicorn birthday cake that you can be proud of. Happy drawing! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.